Our team would like to start by saying thank you for agreeing to participate in our SmartAPPetite study. The next few minutes are going to give you a quick overview about how to use the SmartAPPetite app on your smartphone or tablet.
Hey there! The first thing that you would have to do is to download the app using the link that you were given with the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you've downloaded the app, you are going to create an account using the email address and password that we will provide you via email.
To set up your profile, the app will ask you to fill in a few things, like your birth year, gender, and postal code. You do not have to answer all of these if you don't feel comfortable doing so, and you can always come back at any time to edit your profile after the initial setup.
One important question that we would want you to complete is the project code. You'll see on the screen what the project code is for this year. This is also included with the email sent to you.
The last thing you need to do in order to set up your profile is answer the survey questions. There will be a series of questions that the app will ask you in order to get to know more about your interests. These questions will be used to tailor the messages that get sent to you over the next 10 weeks so that they are better related to your interests.
Now that you've finished setting up your profile, you just need to set up the time that you would want to receive your messages.
To do this, you will click on the Settings button, choose Time Settings, and then you can decide when you would like to receive messages by inputting the earliest and latest time that messages can be sent to you, and the times that you eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now that you've learned how to set up the app, let's take a look at how it works. This is your home page. This is where all of the messages you receive will be displayed. Your new messages that have not been read yet will appear on the screen with a blue dot. Once you've read the message, the dot will disappear.
When you receive a short message, you will only see a short sentence on your lock screen. When you click to learn more, a longer and more detailed message will appear.
You can scroll down for recipes, vendors that sell the product, and links to learn more about this message topic. You can also send the message to a friend or favorite it by clicking on the star in the top right-hand corner.
All of your start messages will be found on your favorite page, and you can access that from your Smart App home screen.
Once you exit a particular message, you will be asked to rate how useful it was. Rating the messages will help us know the kind of future messages that you are or are not interested in receiving.
If you ever need to change anything about your profile, you can easily make changes or answer any questions that you may have skipped when you have first made your account.
Hopefully these tips will help you make the most out of our Smart App. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to ask any questions while you work away on your surveys.